Apple just announced an augmented reality headset called the Apple Vision Pro. First off, what is augmented reality? In short, augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital information or objects onto the real world in contrast to virtual reality, or VR, which immerses the user in a completely simulated digital environment that blocks out the real world. The Vision Pro is a compact headset with an aluminum frame, form-fitting headband, and large, single piece of laminated glass as the lens. It uses a dual-chip system which optimizes for eliminating lag, which I'd imagine helps things feel more immersive. It has a number of cameras and sensors used to detect the outside world, and overall appears fairly ergonomic. You can use the headset plugged in, but it also has a portable battery pack that fits in your pocket, which supposedly lasts up to 2 hours. The screen uses a micro OLED display system that is the equivalent of a 4K TV for each eye. In terms of audio, it has a spatial audio system which pumps directional sound at your ear and uses a fancy technology called audio ray tracing to help understand your surroundings and make the sound seem like it's originating from your environment. The headset introduces Apple's first ever spatial operating system called Vision OS, which superimposes your apps and a variety of digital experiences right in front of you. Instead of a mouse or touch, you use your eyes, hand gestures, and voice to navigate the system. From the demos, it looks fairly immersive. The UX is three-dimensional and reacts to light and shadows. Also, since it's augmented reality, you can see other people while wearing the headset. A common use case based on what we've seen so far is viewing images or videos without the need for a screen. Think of it as a movie theater that moves with you. There are cinematic settings such as screen size adjustment, dimming the exterior of the screen, and even changing the screen background entirely. In addition to watching movies, Apple also showcased using the headset as a monitor replacement for your computer, and some interesting productivity use cases such as immersive FaceTime presentations. There's also a hyper-realistic Memoji FaceTime feature, which kind of makes you look almost real-ish. All in all, it's a super interesting product, with the quality and polish you'd come to expect from Apple. That being said, the $3,500 price tag makes me a bit skeptical when it comes to adoption, but we'll see. Would love to hear your thoughts on the Apple Vision Pro headset. Go ahead and drop a comment and tell me what you think. Also, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like or subscribe. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you next time on Informatics.